Your mind is being pulled, pushed, shaped, and influenced every second of every day. The question is simple. Are you the one controlling it, or have you handed the wheel to something else? What is holding you hostage? What is draining your energy, your focus, your fire? Is it the internet stealing your hours? Is it comfort numbing your ambition? Is it habits that you know are destroying you, yet you keep choosing them anyway? Most people drift through life on autopilot. They don't think, they don't decide, they don't question, they just slide slowly, quietly down the path of least resistance. And one day they open their eyes and realize they're out of shape, they're broke, they wasted years. Life didn't happen for them, life happened to them. But you don't have to be that person, not anymore. You must take back the controls, shut off the autopilot, grab the wheel, steer your life like your future depends on it, because it does. Audit yourself. Tell yourself the truth, even when it hurts. What are you doing right now? Be honest. Are you wasting time? Are you distracting yourself? Or are you making real progress? Stop lying to yourself. Track the work, track the hours, track the habits, because when you finally face the truth that you can do more, be more, achieve more, discipline will stop being something you chase. It will become something that chases you. It will pull you out of bed. It will drag you into action. Success is not magic. It's not luck. It's not talent. It is a simple formula. Make a plan. Follow the plan. Do not deviate from the plan. How much will you work? What energy will you bring? How will you show up today, tomorrow, every damn day? Most people fail because they quit right before the results were about to appear. They break their momentum. They start, then stop. Start, then stop. Every time they stop, they reset the clock. You must build stamina. Find your pace. Stay at that pace. Refuse to quit. Refuse to slow down. Refuse to break the rhythm. If you want a different life, you must become a different person, a savage, someone who works with so much fire, so much intensity, so much discipline. People start asking, why are you doing all this? And your answer is simple. Because comfort kills and discomfort pays. Every single day is either a win or a loss. Did you show up today, or did you waste another 24 hours? Stack your wins. Win the day, win the week, win the month. Win so many times in a row that winning becomes your identity. No shortcuts, no excuses, just one win at a time until you become unstoppable. You are in control. You always have been. Now act like it.